Well, you ain't getting rid of Jerry Jones. But you know, that made me think when I heard them say,
Jerry Jones
said,
ass
you know
and
what they
Prescott.
said? You know what they said?
I don't give a damn. They both need to
They said the culture.
I don't want to hear no motherfucker. Man, I don't want to hear that shit. Man, you want to win, son. You better shit the other
well, that's what I'm saying.
Bull job, chicken shit.
That's what I'm saying. Jerry Jones done built a bullshit culture.
Bullshit.
That ain't the same culture they had goddamn with Jimmy Johnson or whatever.
Nah, that's some bullshit.
That's some more shit, man.
That's some more shit, Jim. Jim, you see I come a peanut head.
You did a good job.
Hey. I save a lot of money.
You did a good job. Mike, you know what? I ain't been to the barber shop since I was 35.
That's what I'm talking about, Jim. Shit.
Hear me?
Peanut up.
I've been shaving my head since I was 35.
Okay, shit. We represent. Already, Jim Bow. These Cowboys gotta get rid of Jerry Jones, man. I'm telling you, Jim Bow.
Well, hell, he the owner, right?
I don't give a damn.
Listen.
Shit, he fucking up.
That's the problem.
Somebody gotta have some sense.
And he ain't gonna let nobody else run it. You see what I'm saying? You see every coach he get is a coach that goddamn man.
Bullshit. Jerry Jones gotta fire his ass and get rid of Prescott ass too. Other than that, we ain't gonna do shit. We ain't gonna do shit, y'all. No count. Jerry Jones gotta go with his old ass. Prescott gotta go with his old ass.
If I was a Cowboy, I'd be looking at that boy.
Who?
Trey Lance.
Trey Lance. Oh, yeah, damn,
I mean, he over there.
Motherfucker crazy as hell,
He over there.
Crazy as hell, y'all.
I be looking at it.
Shit. Y'all already know.
That nigga that was a fresh pick.
We need to get somebody.
He had to have some for them people taking first, but he flunked. So the Cowboy got it now. But I done seen what Jim Plunkett went to the Raiders and won a couple of Super Bowls. He won how the trophy.
I don't know what you done did, because y'all might be doing it in the mouth. Oh my goodness. For real.
Hey, shit.
Oh, I want to know what you can do right now. I don't even care about your resume.
I'm sitting there, I just want to pick my girl up from school. Chilling, talking with Mike.
Dirty.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. What you doing? Cause when I drop them off, I can come by your house. You gonna be at the house? Okay, well, take care of your business. Take care of your business. Okay, yeah, take care of your business though. Okay, yeah, but Mama had told me, Mama done went into over today. What Mama do? Thursday. Okay. Okay then, let me get out this phone so I can pay attention. Okay. All right, love you, sis. Bye.
Jumped off the porch, I was sitting the ground, had work.